Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying your device model and OS version so you choose the correct method. Once done, turn on developer or accessibility settings that permit screen capture. These settings unlock capabilities denied by the app. Then install a trusted third-party capture tool with an overlay or floating button. This bypasses some UI blocks. Make sure the tool requests the proper permissions. You want a reliable app that can trigger screenshots without requiring app-specific consent. Next, tackle the actual restriction. If direct screenshots are blocked, start a screen recording and later extract frames. This often avoids pushback. Alternatively, connect via ADB or use desktop mirroring to capture the display from your computer. This works for apps enforcing local blocks. You can also use accessibility services to create a virtual display for capture. Throughout, keep permissions enabled and test a short clip first to confirm the workflow functions before committing to full capture. To finish, extract high-resolution images from your recorded video or run a DB screen cap to pull clean screenshots to your computer. If the app uses DRM or protected content flags, switch to mirroring plus frame grab or capture on a secondary device as needed. Make sure to verify image quality and timestamps. If something fails, restart the capture tool and re-enable permissions, then try a short test. Finally, revoke any elevated permissions you granted to maintain device security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.